The iPhone 14 Pro Max case is a must-have for those who want to keep their new phone safe from any accidental damages. It offers the best protection for your phone, and it is also very stylish. The iPhone 14 Pro Max case will help you to protect your new phone from any accidental damages, such as scratches, dirt, and dust. It also has a slim design, so it won't add too much bulk to your phone. The iPhone 14 Pro Max case is made of high-quality materials which can provide your phone with a good protection. The material is soft and smooth, so it will not scratch your phone when you put it on. It also has a perfect cutout for all the buttons, camera, speakers and ports. So today's video I will show you 5 best iPhone 14 Pro Max case you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Casemate. You deserve to have your phone protected. That's why Casemate brings you our Twinkle case, designed with you in mind. We know that you're a modern woman with lipstick and ambition who doesn't take life too seriously. You have your priorities straight but still want a case that will keep your phone safe from 10-feet drops and being scratched by keys and coins in your purse. With the Casemate Twinkle case, you're not only getting a sturdy, protective case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max but also a gleaming accessory that's bright enough to light up your life. It comes with a lifetime warranty and is available in 10 different colors. This is best for women. Number 4. Clear. The Casemate Protection Pack includes a tough, crystal clear case and tough tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone Pro Max. It also includes a USB-C charger with 15-feet drop protection and a wireless charger compatible with the MagSafe charging cable. People like you want a case that is tough, classy, and protects your phone. This is why we created this protection pack for you. Our protection pack includes a toughened glass screen protector, a lens protector to keep your camera lens clear and sharp, and a durable case that protects against drops. All of that in one convenient pack. We have a brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max case for you. Protect your phone with our high-quality, long-lasting protection pack. The case is made of ultra-thin TPU which is easy to put on and take off. It should protect your phone against scratches and bumps. Number 3. Otterbox. Hungry for a new way to be protected from the world? Introducing the first ever series screenless edition for iPhone 14 Pro Max case. Protecting your iPhone has never been easier or more stylish. With this new design, you get 3 layers of protection with no hassle whatsoever. Not to mention that it's so thin you'll barely notice it on your phone. Otterbox has joined forces with the makers of Jellyskins and has created the series screenless edition for iPhone 14 Pro Max case. This revolutionary product offers ultimate protection without sacrificing style. With a non-stick silicone interior, you'll never have to worry about your device sliding around inside the case ever again. Port covers block dust and dirt from jacks, and ports and the included holster doubles as a kickstand. Number 2. Otterbox Defender. Otterbox is the ultimate line of defense for you and your iPhone. Built with 3 layers of protection, our rugged case provides peace of mind in any situation. The durable outer shell protects against impact and drops and the built-in screen protector prevents scratches, dust, and dirt from getting into your device. Ultimate protection for your phone. Drop-proof, dust-proof, and even waterproof. Otterbox cases come with a lifetime warranty that covers it all. Protect your phone with a clear case made by the trusted company that invented protective cases. With Otterbox's Clear series, you'll be able to show off your new phone while also keeping it safe from bumps, drops and spills. The Clear series case will also not interfere with wireless charging, so you won't have to worry about battery life or running out of juice. Drop-proof, dirt-proof, and scratch-proof, this case is ideal for those who need a durable yet sleek iPhone case that can go anywhere. Our signature Clear case allows the beauty of your phone to shine through while protecting it from daily wear and tear. Get the Otterbox Defender XT Clear. Number 1. TECH21. Apple's newest iPhone is an all-glass and metal design, so having a durable phone case to protect it from drops and scratches is a must. TECH21's new cover is built with both a clear shock-absorbing shell for maximum protection and clear scratch-resistant coating to keep your phone looking pristine. Say goodbye to worries and hello to peace of mind with TECH21's Clear Pro Max Evo iPhone 14 Pro Max case. Whether you're a klutz or a clumsy oaf, you can now enjoy the protection of our clear case with 12 feet multi-drop protection. We've got complete coverage against scratches, dirt and dust, and are able to withstand drops from extreme heights. With the addition of an ultra-clear screen protector, you can see why the TECH21 Pro Max Evo Clear Case is an excellent option for protecting your iPhone 14 Pro Max from damage. Made with advanced UV-resistant materials that keep the case crystal clear, stopping any yellowing or discoloring over the lifetime of the device.